Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video on this MSD Distributor. Just came in last night. This is the Pro Billet. It's the 8598. It's for a Ford Mustang. See, Ford 289 302 hybrid roller. So let's open this box. So here, this is how it looks. This is all the ones they make. Alright, let's open the box. Oh, wow. Trying not to destroy the box, because I'm probably gonna keep the box just in case if I run into any problems with this one. Okay. Put the box to the side. We got another box here. Okay. Let's find the opening. Here we go. Nicely nice. They pack it well nice. Alright, this is the cap that goes at the top for these spark plugs. See that? The wire actually goes right through here and locks in place. Pretty neat feature to have. Okay, let's take this out now. Ooh, those are nice instructions. Nice and clean. Okay, pretty good. That's the cap. Take the cap off. Inspect it. Everything looks good. Alright. This is the rotor. Looks good as well. I'm not going to open that up, but it's fine. Let's put the cap back on. So it has a little mark there. You look at the bottom of the cap, you see the little mark right here. It's got to go back in the same place so it can lock down, and just push your pins up. The bottom of it looks really good. Alright, just the tags. Alright, let's see if it came with the actual grease. Comes with a nice steel gear. I just replaced the gear on mine, and I'll tell you right now, this gear right here is very expensive. It's about $100 USD. Alright, comes with the instructions, comes with the screws, the O-ring, and it comes with the springs, the adjustment at the top. Did it come with the, oh yes, here we go. Comes with stickers, which I'm not going to be using. Here. Comes with the braking grease. This goes on the bottom of the gear. So you open it up, put it all over the gear, and then drop it into your engine. That's what that is. Comes with this pink paper, important, close kit. Use this as a label saying that you have to use this to break in the gear before installing it. What else it comes with? Okay, I'm just telling you, thanking you for buying the product, how it works and stuff like that. Alright, this is just pretty much the instructions, if anything. Alright guys, so we have it here. We're going to be installing it on the car, maybe in the next hour. I'll show you where it's going on. Just give me 1 minute, let me pause this. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the car it's going on. So right now I have a problem with the distributor on mine, I believe. So I'm going to take it out, put the new one in, and hopefully it solves my problem. Because right now I'm not getting no spark on this car. And if this don't work, then I have another issue going on, which I'm gonna have to hardwire everything. So I'm gonna bypass the MSD for now and hardwire the distributor into the battery and everything and get it to start. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow up for more videos.